Tiny cooking videos are taking over shorts right now. These miniature kitchen clips are pulling in millions of views. Even brand new creators are growing fast with this trend. In this video, I will show you complete process to create these videos step by step. Open the document link provided in the description. Copy this whole master prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Here, switch to video mode. Select your desired aspect ratio and select Omni Flash as your video model. Set the video duration to 10 seconds. Once everything ready, paste the prompt in the prompt box. Come at the top of prompt box. Here you will find a food item section. Replace it with any food you want to create. For this example, I will type omelet. Now click generate. Wait a few minutes while Google Flow creates your miniature cooking video. And here it is. Your first tiny cooking video is ready. You can repeat this process with any food you like. For example, I will paste the prompt again in prompt box and replace the food item with pizza. Click generate. Within a few moments, your another miniature cooking video is ready. You can create endless variations using this with any food you like. If this video helped you, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming viral niches.